Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bitstamp, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Bitstamp, start by visiting the official Bitstamp website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button typically found at the top right corner. Click the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your email address and a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling in your details, read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you complete the form, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Bitstamp. Open the email and click the provided verification link to confirm your email address. After verifying your email, return to the Bitstamp website and log in using your new credentials. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the instructions to set up two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. Next, navigate to the account verification section. Upload the required identification documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Ensure that your documents are clear and in acceptable formats as specified. Once you upload your documents, wait for Bitstamp to review and approve your verification. This process may take several hours to a few days, depending on the volume of requests. After your account is verified, you can fund your Bitstamp account through various methods. Select your preferred funding method and follow the on-screen instructions to deposit funds. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start trading on Bitstamp. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and features to enhance your trading experience. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or reach out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.